Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Me, Zena, and Mr. Cameraman are camping at Lake Havasu City, Arizona this weekend. And obviously when we're camping in an actual city, we definitely have to shop. We love going to Beal's Outlet. I found these shorts for only 49 cents. Literally shook. But before we went to Beal's, we actually went to Harbor Freight and we found this super cool 2 solar panel folding phone charger solar panel set type thing, and we plugged in Mr. Cameraman's phone while we were in Beal's, and it was literally charging his phone actually pretty fast, like faster than we thought it was going to charge it. We found a bunch of food on this trip, also a bunch of new food loves. We tried out a whole bunch of different products. These taquitos I got at Safeway, I air fried them, and while I didn't think they were amazing, Mr. Cameraman definitely thought that they were 100% the best chicken and cheese, the best frozen taquitos, the best frozen Mexican taquito he had ever had. Which obviously, when I cook for other people, I don't care if I'm not in love with it. I care if they're in love with it, and he really liked them. I did forget though, when you are air frying, definitely turn on your generator. I forgot to turn on the generator, and it kind of, not really sure if it did anything bad, but it did turn off the batteries twice. Also tried out these scorchin' Pringles. The chili lime are absolutely to die for. You definitely have to grab these. And we got these at Beal's. These little tahini peanuts were super, super, super tasty. Still can't get over these shorts. 49 cents. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. It was Ross, not Beal's. I am such an idiot. We went to Ross Dress for Less. I also had this barbecue sauce that I had gotten at Sprouts Farmers Market. You can see me sampling it here, just drinking it like it's a bottle of wine. I'm kidding, I don't drink. But this barbecue was good. It was a little bit spicy. Definitely recommend. I mean, I can't even remember the brand name, but the owl is cute. Just look for the owl and buy it. These were buy one, get one free at Sprouts. Now, this whole shebang of a lunch was finally starting to come together. Oh, this is me freaking out because I didn't turn on the generator. Definitely remember to turn on the generator before you start air frying. And then here's me saying that barbecue sauce was delicious. Then we tried out these Rhythm kale chips. They were okay, but they did not taste like ranch, like at all. They are very texture-y though. I love the coating that's on them. It gives it a really nice, almost thick mouthfeel. Definitely recommend trying them out, but just remember that they do not taste like ranch really at all. But they were okay. For the price, I'm not sure if I would buy them again. But if you like to try new stuff, try them out. Here are the taquitos. They look really good after they've been in the air fryer. Like I said earlier, they're okay. I think they're really, really, really good with barbecue sauce. Definitely recommend a dip for them. I also think that they would be really good in queso also. Another thing is they literally get molten on the inside. So be careful because they do get super, super crazy hot. Dipped in that barbecue sauce, they were fire though. Really, really good with the barbecue sauce. Zena also liked the taquitos. Now here is our little solar panel charger in working, functioning order. So you just set it up on the little kickstand so that the sun is shining right onto the solar panels. And then right here on the back, I was trying to do it while recording, but it was a little bit hard. But on the back here, there's 2 USB ports. Mr. Cameraman already had his phone plugged in, but you can plug in 2, and it doesn't charge as fast as it would in like a wall outlet, but it is free electricity. I mean, you can charge your phone while you're sitting on the beach or while you're really doing anything in the sun. Zena really likes these little treat tasting experiences. She really liked the scorching Pringles, and she really liked that ranch style kale chip. Like I said though, doesn't taste like ranch. Yes, my dog is smart. I'm sure she knows it doesn't taste like ranch. She just knows that she likes it. But those scorching Pringles, I mean, she was all about those. She wanted to eat them up. They were really tasty. Me and Mr. Cameraman will definitely buy them again. Like I said, the tahini peanuts are really, really good. The kale chips, they were okay, but like I said, Zena liked them, so I liked them. The taquitos, I thought were okay. Mr. Cameraman loved them. Like I said earlier, if he loves them, I love them. So this was kind of like a really good meal. And again, the shorts, I absolutely love them. I cannot believe that my butt can look this good for 49 cents. Keep in mind, though, that the pockets are pretty worthless. They are Puma brand. Here is the box for that solar panel charger. Really can't believe how well it works. It was like $50 at Harbor Freight, so it was a little bit more than we wanted to spend on this kind of charger, but it does work really, really well. And I mean, it was kind of one of those things where we felt like if we didn't buy it, we were never going to buy one, even though we've wanted one for a long time. The barbecue sauce was also really good. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me, Zena, and Mr. Cameraman upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.